Welcome. If you're struggling with Messenger stories not uploading on your PC, you're in the right place. This issue can be frustrating, but don't worry, we'll walk through some effective steps to get your stories back on track. First, let's try a quick fix. Close the Messenger app completely and then reopen it. Sometimes, the app can experience temporary glitches, and a simple restart can resolve these issues. If that doesn't work, the next step is to log out of your account. Click on your profile photo at the bottom left corner of the app, then select Log Out. After logging out, enter your email and password to log back in, or you can click Continue as your username. This can refresh your session and might help with any upload issues. Sometimes, restarting your device can also do the trick. Press the Windows icon, click on the power icon, and then select Shutdown. Wait for about 30 seconds before turning your computer back on by pressing the power button. This can help clear up any temporary glitches in your system. Next, let's check your network connection. Sometimes, connectivity issues can interfere with uploading stories. Click on the network icon in the notifications area. If there are other available networks, try connecting to a different one. This can help ensure you have a stable connection for uploading. It's also essential to check your internet connection status. Again, click on the network icon in the notifications area and ensure that your network is working properly. If you notice any issues with your internet speed or connectivity, you may want to troubleshoot your network or restart your router. If Messenger stories are still not uploading, consider uninstalling and reinstalling the app. This can help eliminate any bugs or issues that may be affecting its performance. To uninstall Messenger, press the Windows icon and type Uninstall App. Find Messenger in the list, click on the three dots next to it, and select Uninstall. Confirm the action to remove the app from your computer. After uninstalling, it's time to reinstall Messenger. Press the Windows icon again and search for the Microsoft Store. In the search bar, type Messenger and click Enter. Once you find the app, click on Install to download the latest version. Having the newest version can resolve many issues related to uploading stories. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the uploading issue with Messenger stories on your PC.